Boost your HR efficiency with ERPNext Gratuity module. Watch our video to see how ERPNext simplifies gratuity management, ensure compliance with local regulation, and saves your time. Key feature includes automatic gratuity calculations, compliance with gratuity rules, easy employee data management, accurate and timely gratuity payments. You can manage gratuity payments of employee based on different gratuity rules, which vary from region to region. How to create gratuity? Go to gratuity doc type, select employee and gratuity rule. On selecting, it will calculate current work experience and total gratuity amount based on gratuity rule and relieving date. Check checkbox Pay via salary slip. If you want gratuity payment through salary slip, save and submit. To pay the gratuity amount via salary slip, you need to check the checkbox Pay via salary slip. Select payroll data and salary component, which will appear on check. On submit, it will automatically create additional salary with respective payroll date and salary component. So these both functions are interlinked together. It will save your time. Let's learn about payment via payment entry. To pay the gratuity amount via payment entry, you need to make sure the checkbox Pay via salary slip is unchecked. After that, it will allow you to select payable account, expense account, and mode of payment. After submitting the record, click on the Payment Entry Create button, which will redirect you to save the payment entry form, fill in details, save and submit. Let's learn about gratuity rule. Go to gratuity rule, select applicable components. These salary components contribute during gratuity calculations. Select calculate gratuity amount based on define gratuity rule and save it. You have options for calculating it on rounded off work experience, take exact completed years, and manual. If you select round of work experience method, your current experience, for example, if employee have total experience of 3 years and 6 months will be treated as 4-year experience. Take exact completed year. Calculate gratuity amount based on completed years. This is the slab. From year to year and the fraction of applicable earnings can be configured. This is the second slab. It starts from first year till the third year. Then we have third slab that starts from third year and till the fifth year. And this is the sum of all the 5 years. So, are you ready to simplify your gratuity management? Get a demo today and experience the power of ERPNext and take your HR management to the next level. Thank you for watching.